So what's up, kamusta? Ayos pa tayo dyan. So ngayon, nandito pa rin tayo sa may IR 2025. Ngayon, meron silang bagong launch ng CRF 300L. Okay, so ano nga ba yung mga pinagkaiba nito sa unang version? At hindi rin ako familiar sa ganitong motorcycle. So ayan, umpisa na natin. Quick walk around na natin itong motorcycle na to. Let's go!
I was born to be a fighter, had these dreams and desires. I would be something better, energy, got a fire in my soul to keep burning, a pain that keep hurting, a curse is emerging, feel the thirst, keep on.
So ayun na nga, sa kanyang headlight, angas doon datingan no? So alam naman natin, meron silang mga maliliit na version ng CRF, di ba? May 150, 250 yata meron din, tapos itong 300 meron sila. Okay, so LED, halos lahat ng ilaw, ang kanyang signal light, LED rin. Kanyang front fender, napakahaba ng front fender niya, tapos flexible din yan. Naka-inverted forks din tayo rito. So nga pala, parang counterpart din to nung parang sa CRF Rally. Yun, 300 Rally. Okay, parang ito lang din yun. So iba lang din yung muka. Okay. So ayan, naka gold yung ating inverted forks. Mayroon din siyang cover. And yung tires is 80 by 100 by 21. Ayan. So ganda ng kanyang tires. And IRC din, no? Yung kanyang brand. So naka single disc brake. And naka dual pad caliper tayo rito. So radiator nandito sa side, CRF nandito naman yung kanyang decals. So yung decals halos parang ito na yata yung pinaka ano nila, no? Yung pinaka trademark nung CRF. Yung kulay, di ba? So hindi natin alam kung ano pa yung mga iba pang kulay na meron dito. So ayan, ito yung makina. Merong Honda rin dito. Monitoring ng oil, by itsura ng ating put pegs para sa rider. Ayan. Tapos naka digital naman yan. Tapos sa mga switches, halos talagang magaganda yung mga switches na ginagamit ni Honda. Ayan. Sa ano tayo rito, may hazard switch, electric starter, lever. So meron din siyang guard. And yung upuan, ganda ng upuan, sobrang lambot din. And yung ating gas tank. Ayan. So sa side, meron din tayo rito angkas. Kung gusto natin mag-angkas, pwede rin. Naka monoshock, adjustable tayo rito. Yung kanyang chassis. Ganda rin no? Ating swing arm. Ayan. Tapos naka single disc brake, single pad caliper. And kagandahan, naka-nisi na rin tayo rito. And yung size nga pala ng gulong is 120/80 by 18. Ayan. So grabe ang isang to. 300cc pang trail bike. Baka pwede kayo mag-ano rito. Mga gusto nyo ng trail bike na 300cc ang kanyang tambucho. Tapos naka LED na rin yung ating tail light, pati signal light. Ayan. Pati naman yung ating plate light and reflector. Ayan. So sa side, kita naman natin yung kanyang makina rito. Ayan yung datingan niya. Chain cover din, meron din tayo rito. So ready to trail na yan yung ating motorcycle. So 300cc. Kung kukulangan kayo sa 250, meron silang 300cc. So ayan, ito yung isa, 300 Rally. Okay, so yan, ganda ng tsura na ito. Ayan, so puntahan nyo na lang sa mga Honda branch or kasa ng mga Honda branch or dealer ng Honda. Ayan, so wala akong masyadong masabi dito. Talagang 300cc, kahit naman bike pit natin to, hindi naman natin siya abot talaga. Mga ganitong motorcycle, mga pang ano lang tayo, pang dun. Napakita ko na rin sa inyo yung iba.
Working, I won't stop, I won't quit to the top of this shit. I get lost in the work, sweat dripping, not a bitch. I get mad, I get pissed, I get after this shit. Hit the gas, feel the grip, adrenaline, never miss. I'm not patient, but I've learned to embrace it. Cause I've been working, I've been waiting, never complacent. Cause I'm so close, I could taste it. Wanted away from everything I've been chasing. I'm honest, and I promise that I got this. I'm launching, all I've wanted, it's been exhausting. I'll teach you how to harness, control the conscious. You got this, yeah you got this, you gotta want it. Shot, life ain't fair. Are you gonna win or will you play scared? I will not stop, I am prepared to get to the top, yeah you must be rare. Got 'em like hey, 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 hey. I will not stop, I am prepared to get to the top, yeah, you must be rare. You got one shot, life ain't fair. Are you gonna win or is your place scared? I will not stop, I am prepared to get to the top, yeah, you must be rare. But I'm like, hey, I will not stop, I am prepared to get to the top, yeah, you must be rare. You watch it.
CRF, all new CRF. Ayan, ito 250 RX naman to. Kung ito, CRF 150L. Ito naman, CRF 250 RX. Ayan. So halos hindi nalalayo yung kanilang design. Wala lang siyang headlight katulad doon. Okay? So ayan. Ganda nung ano na to. Ang ganda nung kanyang disc brake oh. Merong cover. Ang galing. Ngayon ko lang nakita yung ganyan. Ayan. Tapos, may guard din yan. Lever guard yata ang tawag dyan. Meron din siya dito. Okay. So, yan. Yan yung mga ano natin. Pati doon, meron sila na 450 naman to. Yung isa, 450. Ito, 150R. Yan, nakapag-vlog na tayo na to. 150R. Okay, CRF. So, ayan.
Ages, I will be the greatest. Do it yourself, I made it. I rock from the basement. I'll take my life into my own hands, my own plan. Yeah, I got a backbone, designing my own program. I'm meant to the next wave of the bravest, so don't be late, I'm about to make changes. Life ain't fair. Are you gonna win or will the place scared? I will not stop, I am prepared to get to the top, yeah, you must be rare. Got 'em like, hey, hey, I will not stop, I am prepared to get to the top, yeah, you must be rare. You got one shot, life ain't fair. Are you gonna win or is your place scared? I will not stop, I am prepared to get to the top, yeah, you must be rare. Got 'em like, hey, I will not stop, I am prepared to get to the top, and you must be rare. Yeah, I'm